Is your dryer trying to tell you something? Dryer flashing an error? It might seem like a small annoyance, but ignoring it could lead to bigger problems. Higher energy bills, costly repairs, and even fire risks. Nobody has time for surprise breakdowns when you've got a pile of laundry waiting. Most dryer error codes are warnings about mechanical issues, electrical problems, or one of the most common culprits, restricted airflow from a clogged vent. It's something most of us don't think about until that error pops up mid-cycle. Dryers displaying codes like D80, AF, TC, or clean filter, it's likely warning you about a blocked vent. This can happen with dryers from LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, GE, and more. Different codes, same problem, airflow issues that could easily be prevented. Without proper airflow, your dryer traps heat, works harder than it should, and may increase the risk of fire. A simple vent cleaning clears out lint, debris, and fabric softener residue, restoring safe, efficient airflow and stopping those error codes. And yes, even if you clean the lint trap, there's hidden buildup in the vent line you can't see. Even without an error code, watch for these signs. Clothes taking too long to dry. Dryer feeling hot to the touch. A burning smell. Excessive lint around the dryer. If you've noticed any of these, it's probably time to show your dryer a little TLC. If you get an error, unplug the dryer for 5-10 minutes. Check and clear the lint trap and vent. Restart your dryer. Sometimes it's a quick fix. Other times you'll need a professional to get it sorted safely. If it keeps happening, it's time to call in the pros. At Dynasty Ducts, we help you stay ahead of potential dryer hazards. Our professional vent cleaning services can improve efficiency, help shorten drying times, and may reduce fire risks. No guesswork, no stress, just clean, clear vents and peace of mind. Don't wait for another error code. Contact us for a quote today.